Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I look like a massive pleb right now, my hair's up and everything and I'm not really ready, but I'm just waiting for my Hoover to turn up and I just had a quick 45 minutes, so I thought I'd film a quick video. I'm getting quite a few people telling me that they're struggling with liquid eyeliner. It's something really you have to sort of perfect over time. It has taken me a long time to be able to do a good wing. However, I thought what I would do is try out a few hacks that I've seen for you guys and see if they work, let you know if I think that they help in any way. So I saved some on my Pinterest board and I thought we could go through them. So the first one that I saw was this one. So she's using like the flossing things and putting it on, and then I'm guessing what she does is just like places it on her eye. So I thought, let's give that one a go first. So I've got my floss things. Mine isn't exactly the same as hers, but it's quite similar. And then the liquid eyeliner that I always use is by L'Oreal Paris, and it's L'Oreal Paris, and it's the Superliner Perfect Slim. I just like it because it has this rubbery bit next to it. Oh, I'm just gonna take this. Oh, this one looks a bit messy actually. I'm gonna try and get one where it doesn't look frayed. Oh, here we go, this is a good one. So I'm guessing if I'm just gonna place like that. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is draw on this edge because I think I'm going to place it like that. It seems to go on quite fast and go over all of it. Okay, I don't know if this dries, so I have to be quick about it. Let's see. One thing I think people will struggle with is getting the placement on this, because this is like stressing me out now. So how I would get the placement is you follow the bottom, what's it called, your waterline, and imagine that sort of going up. You don't want to go higher than your eyebrow, you sort of want to angle it towards your eyebrow. Oh my god, I've pressed it. Oh, I don't know if that's because there's literally something there, but I don't know if you can see. I don't know if that's because I was pissing around like talking to you guys. Let me put more on and see. Oh, okay. That came out more intense, but I wouldn't like my wing that long. I don't know. Let's see if I can place one on top. I just generally would not have my wing this long. So I don't know, do you do that and sort of wipe some off to the length you would want? Oh, that's going to be an Amy Winehouse one. Oh no, that's really hard to do on top. So what I would do from here is actually wet it. Haven't got any cotton buds near me, so I'm just going to have to use this. So that's really long. I wouldn't want a wing that long. So I'm just going to take, I've got some makeup remover on this, and just take off the bit I wouldn't want, which is like all of that. That is what I got from that, putting that line down. I tried to put one over the top, but that just did not work at all. So I would then just pull it down like that. See, I'm not a massive fan of that angle, but it did kind of work. If you struggle with getting that line straight away, I think I've made that a bit chunky, but it'll do for now. Right now I look like the biggest psychopath in the world with just one eyeliner on. But this method with the thing, I'd probably rate it a 2.5 out of 5. It does help you get that bottom line straight if that is something that you want to try and achieve. However, it does make it really long. So I wasn't a massive fan of that. Okay, so the next hack that I saw on Pinterest was this one. So to use a hair grip, and I'm guessing what she's done is put it on the bottom of the hair grip and then like placed it on. Let's try that. Let's try that. So I'm gonna go, this is my hair grip. It's the one I found most similar. Hers seems to be shorter on top. But I thought this might still work, so let's give it a go. So it's on there. Ooh. You know what? That one works so well. Gives you a good guideline. It's a bit bendy, but it could work. So let's fill it in and see. The only downside about this, and really I think it was my placement. It's sort of lower than the actual eye. Let me see. So it goes sort of lower than my eye, but how I would correct that I will show you. I'm just going to take one of what are these called, cotton pads, and then I literally like fold it in half to make a sharp line. And run it underneath. I mean, I thought this was going to be more of a disaster than it has been. I thought it wouldn't work out that well at all, but they don't look that bad to say you were getting help. I think the grip one was a lot easier than doing it with one of those toothpick things, for sure. I would then literally, I'd do that and then take the cotton pad and just swipe it up. I mean, they're not even right now because I've just done two completely different methods, but they don't look bad. Like, they don't look bad at all. Just gonna add some mascara now. These are the wings. I mean, I don't think they're bad. Like, I'm so shocked. I honestly did not think they would work. Like, you know, when you see these like Facebook makeup videos and stuff like that, that's honestly what I thought this was going to be. I thought it was going to be a joke video, but it's worked out quite well, so I'm actually really happy with that. I'm just going to add a lip on and then we'll say bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys, really do appreciate it. this video went a lot better than I thought it was going to go. 100% would recommend you trying these out if you do struggle with eyeliner, because I managed to do it really quickly. Don't know whether that's just because I'm used to doing it. The only thing I think people will struggle with is the placement, but just sort of aim for the end of your eyebrows. That's all I can say really on that end. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of April, so I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.